Welcome to Short Courses. Today we are starting full form series. Let's start with Educational Courses Full Forms Part 1. LKG. Full form of LKG is Lower Kindergarten. UKG. Full form of UKG is Upper Kindergarten. CBSE. Full form of CBSE is Central Board of Secondary Education. ICSE. Full form of ICSE is Indian Certificate of Secondary Education. IGCSE. Full form of IGCSE is International General Certificate of Secondary Education. SSC. Full form of SSC is Secondary School Certificate. SSLC. Full form of SSLC is Secondary School Leaving Certificate. Till now we checked the full forms of school level courses. Let's see after 10th which courses are available and full forms of that courses. PUC. Full form of PUC is Pre-University Course. IA. Full form of IA is Intermediate of Arts. Duration: 2-year course of Humanities or Arts. Eligibility: 10th. ISC. Full form of ISC is Intermediate of Science. Duration: 2-year course of Science. Eligibility: 10th. ICOM. Full form of ICOM is Intermediate of Commerce. Duration: 2-year course of Commerce. Eligibility: 10th. ITI. Full form of ITI is Industrial Training Institute. Duration: 2-year course. Eligibility: 10th. DCE. Full form of DCE is Diploma in Computer Engineering. Duration: 3-year course. Eligibility: 10th. DEE. Full form of DEE is Diploma in Electrical Engineering. Duration: 3-year course. Eligibility: 10th. DME. Full form of DME is Diploma in Mechanical Engineering. Duration: 3-year course. Eligibility: 10th. DCA. Full form of DCA is Diploma in Computer Applications. Duration: 3-year course. Eligibility: 10th. DFT. Full form of DFT is Diploma in Fashion Technology. Duration: 3-year course. Eligibility: 10th.